In today's video, I'll show you how to change your payment method on Crunchyroll. First, open your browser and go to the official Crunchyroll website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once on the homepage, click your profile in the upper right, then select Settings. Next, click Membership Info. If you're a current subscriber, you may need to cancel your subscription, wait for the current billing cycle to end, and then resubscribe using the new payment method. Click Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to complete the cancellation. After that, go back to Manage Payment Method, delete the old card, then click Add New Payment Method. Enter your card or debit card details, then click Add Card to save it. And that's it. That's how you update your payment method on Crunchyroll.